हळदोणा आणि मयड्या ह्या दोन्ही गावांचो शारात आस्पाव करप योग्य न्हय. ह्या निर्णयाचेर सरकारान परत एक फावट विचार करचो म्हण मागणी मुखेलमंत्र्याकडेन करतलो अशी म्हायती हळदोणेचो आमदार ग्लेन टिकल्यान दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
अर्बन एरिया अर्बन हितून जी हळदोणा जी घातला पंचायत मयरा पंचायत हेच्या बद्दल तुमची कितें आसा?
ताजेर एक्चुअली ऑलरेडी तांच्यांनी अबाउट थोडे विलेजीस आमच्या गोंयांत तांच्यांनी ऑलरेडी सर्टिफायड केल्ले नोटिफायड केल्ले आसा अबाउट 56 विलेजीस एज अर्बन विलेज एंड तातूंतसून आमचे हळदोणा विलेज आनी मोयरा विलेज तांच्यांनी अर्बन विलेज पूण तांच्यांनी डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसा. आतां ताजे बद्दल हांव उलयलो विथ इट एंड दीस कम इन लँड रेवन्यू कोर्ट. सो आय स्पोक टू the Honorable Minister Jennifer Monserrat, and asked on what basis these villages have been notified. So she told me that they are notified under the 2011 census, which is more than 5,000 population. So I still feel, and also after that I had a discussion with Honorable Minister for Power, followed no. So he also expressed his views, saying that whichever houses are there on the river and which are built before 1991, prior to 1991, फाल्यां तांचे जर परमिशन घेतले रिपेर्स करपाक बांदपाक तांकां मातशें ती सुटाव मेळटलो म्हणून. सो दीस वॉज हीज व्यू. हें ताजें मत कोणाचें? पॉवर मिनिस्टर निलेश काब्राल. सो आय फील माय पर्सनल व्यू ऑन दीस दॅट हळदोणा विलेज एज ऑलवेज आय बीन सेइंग हांव म्हणीत आसा इट्स अ ब्युटिफूल विलेज, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट विलेजीस. And moment you give that you notified as a urban village, and automatically further all the things pertaining to urban would be implemented further, and which I feel as an MLA being elected for the second time, and I'm sure the people will also be of the opinion that Haldona village should not be and Moira village should be left as villages and not notified as urban villages. So this is my view on that, and I want to know now, see what the people are going to decide on that. Definitely, I think the Gram Sabhas are there to be taken, and based on that, I will see what is the opinion of the people, and accordingly, I will act. And definitely, I am always with the people, and I will put my foot to the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant as far as Haldona village and Moira village of my constituency is concerned.